today's video we're looking at a cleaning pod, a 2-in-1 cleaning pod. Double-sided cleaning action, that's what it probably says underneath, I can't see because there's a sticker. Yes, it was reduced. For tablets and smartphones, smear-free, effective cleaning. Not sure what it says under there, but yeah, double-sided anti-static cleaning side. Okay. Double design side. Yep, that was right. Whatever I said there was totally right and not wrong. Double-sided design. All devices clean. Polish inside. So yeah, let's try it on something. Wow. That's some badly designed gear there. So basically they're stuck in together inside. It looks like some kind of foam with glue, and this piece of plastic from a vacuum cleaner will probably hold them together. So let's try a lens. Got the infrared lens here, and it needs cleaning because it's got like light marks on it, as you can see. So let's give it a clean. Yes, that's made it worse. Let's polish it away now. Didn't make much difference. So let's try a regular microfiber cloth and see if it gets rid of what it on that lens. Yeah, that didn't do much difference either. I wonder if actually that's underneath the lens. Yeah, it's probably junk underneath. Not sure how to get into it. Anyway, yeah. Is it any good for a smartphone? Let's see and find out. Let's get a smartphone and let's have a look. Nah. Overall, I would say they're pretty rubbish. And this isn't much better either. So if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.